Kristen, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video brought to you by AppsEvents and Acer. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the new features and changes in your slides and your ability to edit the themes to make them more customized or create one brand new to suit your specific purposes for use with your presentations or in creating a template for your students to use. So let's take a look. So if you're looking for the theme editor, you still come to slide, but now you click edit theme and edit instead of edit slide master. And then you're brought into this editing page. And now you'll see the pre-made layouts, all of the different general use slide templates, and you can delete any you do not like. Just click delete. And then you can absolutely customize these pre-made templates. So for example, if I click in here to my title slide, let's give this a new font. Let's change the color, give it a highlight, make it big. Basically, I can change whatever I want to, and it changes it in the pre-made layouts. So as soon as I make the changes I want and click this X, you can see it changes it on the actual normal editing view of the slide. Now, if I go back to my editor, so slide, edit theme, I've got lots of options of what I can do. So I can add text boxes, and if I add a text box that just says text box, then anything I type in this is locked. My words will show up on any of the slides that use this template. They can't change them once I'm exited out of this. And then I have the options for my text placeholders, where I can choose a title placeholder, and this will create my title option. I can create a subtitle placeholder, a little bit smaller, a little bit more subdued, but again, can change it to whatever I want. Or the body text placeholder, where you can see level by level the font size, what it will look like, and you can even make each level a different color, a different font, a different size to highlight whatever you're looking for. If I X out of this, I change this layout from the title slide to the section header. You can see this box that says this is locked. I can't click it, I can't highlight it, I can't move it, it's there. Hint for teachers, this is a great place to put directions. They can't accidentally delete them. They will be there locked in the background. And then if I add my text, and then I start adding bullets, and you can see it's following that format rule that I laid out. Probably the most exciting update to come with this new theme editor is the ability to add an image placeholder. To get to this, you come up to this icon and then you go to image placeholder. And then you'll see you have different options for shape. And this means that when you are in the normal editing slide view, it will automatically crop your photo and resize it to fit the shape of this placeholder. So here I'm just creating a few examples for you. One's a rectangle, one's a rounded rectangle. Remember, for your rounded rectangles, you can change the amount of rounded edge by dragging this yellow orange diamond until you get the shape you want. And then of course, with a circle, if you just click the screen, it will create a perfect circle. Whereas if you tap and drag, you can create an oval shape. And then what happens now, if I close out of this and I come to this editing view, this is a photo placeholder. So from the device of the user, the person who's getting this template, they just give that a click and they have all of their upload options. Where is this photo coming from? Is it coming from your drive, from photos, from a URL, all of your normal options. And if I add a photo, it puts it in place of that image here. Or if I switch my theme here my layout to this one, you can see it automatically adjusted that photo to resize to fit inside this new placeholder, and how it's cropped a little bit differently. Or if I do the same image here in the circle, you'll see again it's cropped a little bit differently, but it automatically inserts it in. It automatically creates that add an image here to give that cue to your students or to anybody that you are creating a template for that they need to do something there. And so that is one of the most exciting updates to the slides theme editor, because it makes it even more customizable, even more user-friendly on the end of whomever you're sharing the template with. I hope you go out, you create so many templates to share with your students to give them some format for their work as they are completing it, and help them completing it well. And we'll see you back next time for more tips and tricks.